Let's make this cilantro and blueberry vinaigrette that I put on top of this salad. We are going to start by getting our chicken prepped. Organic chicken in this bowl, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, garlic salt. Combine everything, put in the fridge to marinate. Next, we're going to get our vinaigrette going. 1 cup of blueberries, a handful of cilantro, rough chop. We are going to add garlic powder because I don't have actual garlic clove, about a half a tablespoon of salt, splash of apple cider vinegar, truffle oil, blend. I forgot to add my lemon juice halfway through, half of a lemon, a little bit of honey, about a tablespoon. Store that in the fridge. We want to brown the chicken, and we want to add fresh vegetables to that, onions and pepper. Let that roast for 30 minutes. Look how beautiful it looks in the cast iron skillet. Okay, so mixed greens, watercress sprouts, grapefruit sections, raw pepper, tomato, and then we are going to we're going to rough chop our chicken, and we are going to place in our bowl all pretty, as you can see. And I am playing with the texture here. I am adding soft vegetables that have been cooked, crunchy vegetables, and then we are adding some pumpkin seeds that you see here in our vinaigrette, and it came out so good.